Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this neon Genesis Evangelion filter on Instagram. Which NGE character are you and how to use this filter. So to get this effect on Instagram you can visit the creator profile. Evangelion is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock this filter to your Instagram camera tray. So check in her filter gallery and this is the filter. Which NGE are you? Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. Okay, so to use this filter you just have to press and hold the camera button. Okay, that was it. And if you are not finding the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.